Hello, my amazing friends. Welcome to this super exciting and fun lecture. Today, we're going to talk about something that will change the way you use English forever. Are you ready? Great! Because today, we're going to learn how to start thinking in English. Now, before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever found yourself translating words from your native language into English in your head? Like, you think in your own language first and then you try to convert it into English? If yes, then you're not alone. Many people do this, and it's completely normal. But guess what? Today, I'm going to show you how to skip that step and start thinking directly in English. Sounds cool, right? But wait, why is this even important? Well, thinking in English will make you speak faster, improve your fluency, and help you feel more confident. It's like unlocking a superpower for your brain. So, if you're ready to take your English to the next level, let's get started. Oh, and before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our fun and helpful videos. And if you're already part of our amazing community, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Now, let's dive into the magic of thinking in English. Step 1. Start small. Think in single words. The first step to thinking in English is to start small. Don't try to think in long sentences right away. That's like trying to run before you can walk. Instead, start with single words. For example, look around you right now. What do you see? Maybe you see a table, a chair, a window, or a phone. Instead of thinking the word in your native language, try to think of it directly in English. Say it in your mind. Table, chair, window, phone. You can do this all day long. When you're eating, think spoon, plate, food. When you're outside, think tree, car, road. This simple exercise will train your brain to connect objects directly to English words without translating. Step 2. Move to short phrases. Once you're comfortable thinking in single words, it's time to level up. Start thinking in short phrases. For example, if you're drinking water, don't just think water. Think, I'm drinking water. If you're walking, think, I'm walking. If you're happy, think, I'm happy. These short phrases are like building blocks. They help you form simple thoughts in English without overcomplicating things. And the best part? You can practice this anytime, anywhere. No books, no pens, no stress, just you and your thoughts. Step 3. Describe your day in English. Now that you're thinking in words and short phrases, let's take it a step further. Try to describe your day in English. For example, when you wake up, think, I'm waking up. It's morning. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm having breakfast. You don't need to make it perfect. Just try to think in English as much as possible. If you forget a word, it's okay. You can look it up later. The goal is to get your brain used to thinking in English. And here's a fun challenge. Before you go to bed, try to summarize your day in English. Think about what you did, how you felt, and what you enjoyed. This will not only improve your thinking skills, but also help you practice vocabulary and grammar naturally. Step 4. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, you heard me right. Talk to yourself. This might sound funny, but it's one of the best ways to practice thinking in English. For example, if you're cooking, pretend you're a chef on a cooking show. Describe what you're doing. First, I'm cutting the vegetables. Now, I'm heating the pan. Next, I'll add the spices. Or, if you're planning your day, talk to yourself in English. Today, I need to go to the market. Then, I'll finish my work. After that, I'll relax and watch a movie. Talking to yourself might feel strange at first, but trust me, it works. It's like having a conversation with your brain in English, and the more you do it, the easier it will become. Step 5. Surround yourself with English. If you want to think in English, you need to surround yourself with English as much as possible. Here's how you can do that. Watch English movies and shows. Choose something you enjoy and watch it in English. Pay attention to how the characters speak and try to understand their thoughts. Listen to English music. Songs are a great way to learn new words and phrases. Plus, they're fun. Read in English. Start with simple books, articles, or even social media posts. Reading helps you see how sentences are formed and how ideas are expressed. Change your phone language. Set your phone or computer to English. This will force you to think in English every time you use them. The more you expose yourself to English, the more natural it will feel to think in it. Step 6. Think in English during downtime. We all have moments when we're just sitting, waiting, or doing nothing. Maybe you're waiting for a bus, standing in line, or lying in bed before sleeping. Use these moments to practice thinking in English. For example, if you're waiting for a friend, think, "Where is she? Is she late? Maybe she's stuck in traffic." Or if you're lying in bed, think, "Today was a good day. I learned something new. Tomorrow, I'll try to do even better." These small moments add up. They give you extra practice without taking any extra time out of your day. Step 7. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Here's the truth. You will make mistakes. And that's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning. The important thing is to keep going. If you think a sentence and it doesn't sound right, don't worry. You can always correct it later. The goal is to get your brain used to thinking in English, not to be perfect right away. Remember, every mistake is a step closer to success. So, don't be afraid to try. Step 8. Be patient and consistent. Thinking in English is not something you can master overnight. It takes time, practice, and patience. But if you stay consistent, you will see progress. Try to practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes of thinking in English can make a big difference over time. And before you know it, you'll be thinking in English without even realizing it. Friends, learning to think in English is like planting a seed. At first, it might seem small and slow, but with time, care, and effort, it will grow into something amazing. You'll find yourself speaking more fluently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love for learning English together. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our fun and helpful videos. And finally, I'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, tell me, what's one thing you're going to do today to start thinking in English? Let's support each other and grow together. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you're amazing, you're capable, and you're on your way to becoming a fluent English thinker. Keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.